I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a mess. आऊंगा। मेरे कपड़ों की फिटिंग थोड़ी सी नहीं बहुत वियर्ड है. How to show? Okay, let's see how it looks. Otherwise, it was very expensive. Sorry. I want more, and I want more. I'm gonna wear this. इस स्कर्ट कह रही हूँ, नहीं तो ड्रेस का फील खत्म हो जाएगा. तो चलो रेडी होते हैं. What's up cuties, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Nidhi. I make videos related to fashion and beauty, and this is my Instagram handler. You can go there and follow me there as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe right now, because if you are into beauty and fashion, then I'm sure you're gonna love it. And for today's video, I have my favorite thing back. So I really miss styling videos because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा efforts लगते हैं. सारे कपड़े निकालो, शूज निकालो, एक्सेसरीज निकालो, और फिर सब कुछ ऐसे फैला हुआ होता है. तो उसमें ना सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम जाता है. तो वो वाले वीडियो करने के लिए थोड़ा अपने आप को रेडी करना पड़ता है. बट आई लव डूइंग दैट बिकॉज आई लव डूइंग आउटफिट्स. तो आज मैंने सोचा कि चलो करते हैं फाइनली, बिकॉज इट्स बिन अ वाइल. तो यस, तो आज का वीडियो जो है ना, अगर आप ऐसे सोचते हो कि आपके पास पहनने के लिए कपड़े नहीं है या कैसे स्टाइल करें इस आउटफिट को, तो आई एम गोना डू 5 मोस्ट बेसिक आउटफिट, और उसको हम कैसे एक्सेसरीज और चीज़ों के साथ कैसे एलिवेट कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट. तो चलो रेडी होते हैं. और आज की वीडियो के लिए ना आई एम इन माई बेडरूम, क्योंकि सारे कपड़े यहीं पे हैं. और आई डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गोना डू इट, बट मेरे शूज और बैग्स दूसरे कमरे में हैं, और मेरे सनग्लासेस वगैरह वो सब दूसरे कमरे में, और सिर्फ कपड़े और एक्सेसरीज यहाँ पे है. It's gonna be a mess. So let's do it. So for the very first option, I have the most basic outfit. What? आऊंगा. मम्मा काम कर रही है. ऊपर बैठोगे, बेड पे बैठोगे, बेड पे बैठ जाओ. चलो उधर से आओ. बैठ जाओ. उधर ही मुंह करके बैठ गए. Okay, so for the first one, I have the most basic fit, which is a blue denim and white t-shirt. I think ये सबके पास होगा. I hope you can see me, because I don't know. I will change the camera angle vertically once I'm done styling, so you can see better. So first of all, I'm gonna tuck this in, and I'm gonna use a black belt. So let's keep the mic here so you can listen to me. I'm gonna use belt क्योंकि थोड़ी सी लूज है. मेरे कपड़ों की फिटिंग थोड़ी सी नहीं बहुत वियर्ड है. कभी वो लूज होते हैं, कभी वही कपड़े टाइट हो जाते हैं. तो I have used this belt, and now I'm gonna tuck this in so you can see my belt a little bit, not like so much. So it's more like this. Perfect. And for the neck, I'm gonna wear this golden chain. It's a little chunky, but I love it. Now I'm gonna take my mic in my hands. So yeah, and I'm not gonna change the earring because I love the pearl white. And let's do some bracelets. And with my bracelets, I'm gonna wear my watch. So first I'll wear my watch, because this is the most essential piece. I think ये मैं हर outfit के साथ पहनने वाली हूँ. The watch and some bracelets. This is my stack. तो I think ये सेम ही रहेगा सारे वीडियोस में, क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने ही ब्रेसलेट है. unless until I need to add some silver on it, तो मैं शायद चेंज कर लूँ, बट आई थिंक यही रहने वाला है. और हम ऐसे फैंसी फैंसी आउटफिट्स कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम गोना वेयर दीज ब्लॉक हील्स फ्रॉम ज़ारा. दे आर द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल हील्स आई हैव. मेरे पास सारी हील्स आई थिंक ज़ारा से ही हैं, and I get them because they are so comfortable. So I'm gonna wear these. And for the bag also, this is from Zara. It's a very versatile bag. Like you can wear it as a short bag, like shoulder bag, or you can extend the strap and make it a sling bag as well. So I love using this bag. मैं थोड़ी सी लंबी हो गई. This is the most regular outfit, I think, but I love it. आप इसको कहीं भी पहन के जा सकते हो. If you are going for a brunch or day out or anything, even in the night also, I think you can wear it. So I'm gonna keep the vertical version here so you can see the full outfit. And yeah, this is the first one. Okay, so for the second outfit, I have pretty similar fit, but instead of jeans, I wore these lime yellow shorts. So they are very basic. How to show? Okay, I hope you can see. So they are very basic and थोड़े sporty से हैं. Like यहाँ पे ऐसा round cut है and everything it has pocket. So I have my same stack as previous. Necklace भी वही है. And so for the shoes, I want to do these bellies with the socks. Let's see how it looks. So for the socks, I have plain white to match the white. So let's see. I kind of love it because this is giving very old school vibe and I love it. मुझे ऐसे थोड़े से sporty कपड़े बड़े पसंद हैं. And for the bag, I have this really cute tote bag. It has yellow, blue, like थोड़े से muted colors. I got it long back during the sale time. So it was very cheap. Otherwise, it was very expensive. So yeah, this is a very cute outfit, if you can say. और मैंने ना बन बना के रखा है. If you want, you can wear a scrunchie like the huge one. It will look very cute with this outfit. And yeah, I'm gonna keep a vertical version this side so you can see everything properly. And I love this look so much. So for the next one, I have this. Sorry. So for the next one, I have this maxi white skirt, which I think सबके पास होगी because these were so trendy in like 2024. क्या बोले? Like few months back, it was all over the Instagram and everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna style this with this crop shirt, but it was not that crop. तो मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा tuck किया हुआ है so that waist का थोड़ा dimension मिल सके. And then I'm styling it with these hoop, this one, and I'm gonna layer so many necklaces because this is such basic piece, and so I want to stack a lot of necklaces here. So let's see what I have. तो एक ना मेरे पास ये बहुत डिफरेंट सी चेन है, लाइक नेकलेस है. इट हैज 2 ends जो ऐसे जिसमें थोड़ा सा ऐसा लीफ वाला एलिमेंट है और वो ऐसे डंगल होता रहता है. I'm gonna wear this first. This is again our dual chain gold piece and I'm gonna layer it up. So at the moment it looks like this. I want more. Okay, I'm gonna stack this yellow piece as well. इसको मैंने थोड़ा सा टाइट करके रखा है ताकि ये थोड़ा चोकर जैसा फील दे. And I want more. maybe this one, a little very heavy chunky necklace. I think this looks better and I'm pretty happy with this. I love it. And for the footwear, I'm gonna keep it very simple with the tan bellies because I think there is so much going on at the top. So I want to neutralize it. So I'm gonna take these, and with this I'm gonna take this neutral bag. तो बैग और शूज अगर आप कोशिश करते हो ना कि सेम शेड के हों तो आप एटलीस्ट अपने आउटफिट में मिनिमम 3 कलर्स ऐड कर सकते हो. तो यू कैन वेयर whatever you want to wear here, then you kind of match your footwear and bag together, so it will bind the whole look together. I'm gonna wear this. And this is the third look. I really love this one because of all the jewelry. I love it so much. And if you want, you can wear the sunnies many bedroom because I'm doing the video. So yes, if you are heading out, then you can definitely wear your sunnies. And yeah, this is the vertical look. Let me know how you like it. I still love it so much. Okay, so for the next one, I have this black dress. It's kind of like maxi skirt carrying dress. So it's kind of like maxi dress. It's till my calf. So yes, and I think this is from H&M. और आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों के पास होगी भी बिकॉज दिस वॉज वेरी स्टेपल पीस जो उनके हर बार के कलेक्शन में एक ड्रेस ऐसी तो होती ही है. तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपके पास होगी. सो लेट्स style it. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna keep it very simple because the dress is very pretty. तो हम सब कुछ बहुत ही बेसिक करने वाले, बहुत ज़्यादा एड ऑन नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज नहीं तो ड्रेस का फील खत्म हो जाएगा. तो हम बहुत ही छोटे इयररिंग्स और डेंटी सा नेकलेस करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आई हैव. Okay, so for the earrings, I think I'm gonna do these hard ones because they are so pretty and cute. So I'll do this. For necklace, I'm gonna do this one because this is the tiniest thing I have. So इसमें green color का छोटा सा flower है नीचे. So I think I'm gonna wear this. This is how it looks. I think it's very pretty. So for the shoes, I was thinking to do these ones. These are a little tie-up flats, and these are again from Zara, and they look so pretty. So if you are on a holiday or something like that, और dinner के लिए भी जाना है तो भी आप ये वाला outfit पहन सकते हो. They look very good. So I'm gonna wear them. So yes, I wore them. And for the bag, I think I'm gonna take again my black bag because this is the perfect one for this one. And yes, I think this is perfect, and this dress is lovely. Wait, let me show you full. I hope you can see, but yeah, it looks so pretty. एंड आप चाहो तो कोई भी आउटफिट के साथ बाल अलग से स्टाइल कर सकते हो, बट मुझे बार बार कपड़े उतारने और पहनने पड़ रहे हैं तो मैंने बन बना के रखा है. आई थिंक दैट इज द सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन आई कैन डू. And yeah, this is the fourth outfit. Let's do the next one. Okay, so this is the last fit. And for the last one, I have this satin skirt. It's midi length, like it comes below my knees. So yeah, this is like this. And I'm gonna style it very simple way. First of all, I was thinking to do a belt since it's like very basic. Oh, I love this. It's giving very 90s wala vibe. And with this, I want a chunky hoop, like थोड़े से bigger hoops. Or maybe I can do these pearls ones. Let me try it. I think I like them more instead of doing chunky hoops. I think they looks perfect. And with this, I think I'm gonna do my फर्स्ट हील जो मैंने पहले पहनी थी, द ब्लॉक ones, these ones, I'm gonna do them again, and the same bag. I think that will look awesome, I think. And I think if you have, then you can wear a black blazer on top of it, and that will look amazing, I think. तो अगर आपके पास black blazer है, मेरे पास नहीं है, I have white, but I don't want to do white. I think this looks very good. And if you are going for a day occasion, then I think you can do flats or something like that. And this again can be your bag, and it's giving a night outfit. So I think, yeah, I love it. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it because मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. And if you like this video, then hit the thumbs up icon and share this video with the one who needs it. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, you can like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.